If you're encountering the error message, you need the official WhatsApp to use this account. This tutorial will guide you through resolving the issue. Begin by disabling Play Protect, which could interfere with WhatsApp functionality. Open the Play Store app on your Android device, tap the profile icon in the top right corner, and select Play Protect. Next, access the settings icon where you'll find two enabled options. Disable with this one setting where you'll see afterwards. Proceed to clear WhatsApp's cache. Navigate to your Android settings, open the app section, locate WhatsApp, and select Force Stop. Then go to Storage and tap Clear Cache. Check if the issue persists. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp from the Play Store. Be aware that this step might result in the loss of your chat data unless backed up beforehand. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, contact WhatsApp support for assistance. Visit the official WhatsApp website, click on the Contact Us section, and provide detailed information about the issue, including your phone number, email address, and platform. Describe the error message and emphasize that you're using the official app. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and regain full access to WhatsApp.